Next forward would be the docstrings. There are ways to document your functions. We'll see here in the coding style that they are also very important. So here, for example, if you have this function and you could document it with docstring, like with this, we have seen how to do the multiple strings this way in the previous videos. You can write them actually just here after the function, and there will be the documentation of this function. This will be okay, it does nothing, no, really, blah blah blah. It can be something else like okay, or function, it takes my function AB, it returns A plus B. We can say okay, addition function of, we can also even write a sum function, for example, sum. Actually, this is like it's a function from a Python function. Let's say some like this, and it's also from the style guides to do it this way. If this name is used, or it's a duplicate or something. So here we can take like args, like we were doing args, and here we can say okay, some function of multiple arguments. We can say that here args can do like something like a tab or something. Some args arguments to unpack in the function. So here we can return sum of args. We can return sum of args. Let's say maybe it will work. So here print sum. Here we have that sum function of multiple arguments, blah 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 blah, and here we can do sum of 1, 2, 3, and here no, we can just sum of args, I guess it will be, yeah. So here we have the sum of 1, 2, and 3. This is also a function of Python. This comes very handy.